Hey guys, it's Heather here, and today I'm at the beautiful Blizzard Beach, and it is such a perfect day for this day. The weather is beautiful, so it's been a really great day. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like a little walking tour around Blizzard Beach. I can't really overly vlog about it because everywhere is water and my phone will get wet and then I won't have a phone. So I'm just going to show you a little bit what I did, show you a little bit the water park, and we are going to do that. Okay, so this is like the kiddie area right here. It's like for like really little kids. I would say from the ages from infant to 5. I would say, there's actually, yes, there is a height restriction on this section. You have to be 48 inches and shorter to play in this section. So let me just go over here and show you guys. If you do have little ones and you want to take them to the water park, this would be perfect for them. And over here is the ski lift. This will take you all the way to the top where there's Summit Plummet and Slush and Gusher and the family ride and also the toboggan and the mat slide. So I'm going to show you guys that. So you see over here, it leads all the way up to the top. Let's zoom in a little bit for you guys. So here is a really important question to ask. Would you do Summit Plummet or would you chicken out at the top like I've seen like 8 people do already today? Comment below because I would love to hear your responses. Okay, so over here is like the intermediate area I would consider. I wouldn't consider it as like a kiddie section. But the slides are definitely tamer here. Let me just move over to here. I can get over there from here, I think so. So let me just go over here. Here's one of the slides. It's a simple tube slide for like little kids. I would say this section would be good for like the 8 to 12 range. I feel like this is a good section for. There's a lot of like fun stuff that isn't like too intense for kids. So I remember being like 7 years old and coming here and ran across that little iceberg thing and having so much fun. So yeah, it's definitely, I think, a really great section for kids. So I'm gonna get from this angle. As you can see, there's another slide in the background over there. And over here is like the kiddie zip line. It's for kids to have fun on like a little zip line and get wet and all that fun stuff. Woo! To go on this attraction over there, you have to be 60 inches and shorter to go on. They don't want like really big people to go on it. So if I were 1.5 inches shorter, I'd be able to do that because I'm 5'1.5". The one entrance to get to Summit Plummet and Slush and Gusher, the toboggan, the family slide, and the mat slide. So I'm gonna leave you guys there. If you're in the neutral height, this is definitely for athletic people. Okay, there's some kid running all the way up. So here I go. I can go the distance.
And you smell it.
We made it. And I'm going to show you guys a little beautiful hidden jewel over here. Over here is, if you look for here, it's a lot of views up high. And we have the observation deck over here. It's absolutely beautiful. You can see Epcot, Hollywood Studios from up here. So I'm going to show you guys that. So we're going to keep going. So you can also see Gusher and Summit Common from here as well. So we're going to go over to here. And there's water. Ah, my thumb. It's okay. Okay. So you can see over here, you can see Epcot in the dare distance over there. And the Swan and Dolphin. And part of the like hotels and Tower of Terror. And more at the park. Ah! That was scary. Okay, so you can look over to here. And over here is like some fun tube slides. There, you can't enter them from here, but I will show you guys the entrance of where to go and where to go have fun on them. So over here is the tube slides. I'm going to maneuver our way down to over here is the entrance for Downhill Double Dipper. I'm going to go all the way down, show you guys. So right over here is the entrance to that. Okay, so over here is the entrance to the mat slide. So as you can see, there's people lining up. And then here's the toboggan, which is all the way over there. The entrance is down there. Okay, so over here is the wave pool, and it is absolutely gorgeous. And then you can also get to the toboggan, look out to the part of the entrance as well. So there's quicker access to over there. So let me go over there to show you guys that. All the way up there. And over here, and several different locations in the park, you can pick up the lazy river and over here is the entrance to Runoff Rapids. I'll show you guys where it is. I'm not going to climb all those stairs to get there, so I'm just going to show you guys where it's at so you guys know where to find it when you come to Blizzard Beach. Just going to get a little bit closer just to show you guys. So that was my tour of Blizzard Beach, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And comment below if you like Blizzard Beach or feel like typing a bit more. So I'm now going to just lay here and relax. So I'm going to do that. Bye bye.